excited. I'm here with a HappyMail that I just received from April Olander Designs on Instagram, and I'm so excited. The wrapping paper was so cute, but I went ahead and took it off and just cut this open here so I can make this video without all the loud crunching. But thank you so much, April. I already know it's gonna be amazing even before I open it. I'm so excited. I've been waiting all day, you guys. Okay, I could talk forever, but I'm just gonna jump in. Okay, I love how she just added the little ribbon right there just to make it cute. Okay, here we go. Oh, April, this is mine. I can't even, oh girl, I love it so much. Thank you. I was like, this is the prettiest box I've ever seen. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys, I don't even know if you can see my camera is like not up very high. Do you see the details on this, you guys? The little banners, and she used straws here and made these pop out. Look at the swan. It's so gorgeous. And then look at the handmade card, you guys. I'm gonna read it real quick, so I'll probably fast forward this, but this is so cute. Okay, all right, let's reveal. April! Oh my gosh, I could cry. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you sent the swan to me. I don't even know what to say. Like literally, I'm trying to hold back the tears. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I mean, it is so beautiful. Do you see this? April, I don't deserve this. This is so cute. I love it so very much. Thank you so much. I like want to carry her everywhere with me. Oh my gosh, April, thank you. I can't get over this. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. It is so special to me. I really love it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe she sent that to me. Okay, let's finish going through. I can't get over that swan. Oh, it's a pin. How cute. It is so big. I love it. So cute. Man, I wish I would have opened this. I would have totally used this today. But I'm going to use it anyway for the rest of the month because it's still Valentine's to me. Oh, yay. I get the pretty chocolates. Oh, I loved this when I seen you cover these. I was like, oh, that's so cute. So clever. I love that. Thank you. It's so cute. I love cupcakes. Oh, it's so cute. I love cupcakes. I love how you wrap the socks like a cupcake. This was so clever, you guys, and so smart. Oh my goodness, you put a cupcake liner in a plastic cup and then wrapped it like that. I love this idea. I gotta steal it. So cute. Let's see, since I'm right here. Donut erasers. How cute. Little donuts. I gotta open them up. Look, you guys. This is so adorable. I would never even use these. I would just set them out so I could look at them. How adorable. Super cuteness. I love it. Yay! Secret mix. I love secret mixes. So pretty. I love the packaging too. Look, you guys. How cute is this mix? Can you see it? So cute. Love those. Beautiful confetti as always. Yes, yes, it's mine. I got one of her cute purses that she made, you guys. I love this purse. Look at my paper purse. It's so cute. This bow is perfect. I need this die. I love that bow. I love this. It is even cuter in person, you guys, than the pictures. The pictures do not do it justice. It's so cute. Okay, I get to open it now. So cute. Oh, I've been dying. I need to buy one of these gold bags. I need to buy these from Hobby Lobby. I've been wanting one too. I haven't had one before, so yay, thank you. I love that purse. I'm gonna keep it out. Oh my goodness, April. There's so much in here. Thank you so much. You are so sweet. Oh, look, you guys. How cute is that? I need to wear that. And some face cream. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. This is so sweet of you. Oh, I love these bags. I got some of these. Oh my, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's so perfect. It's a lip gloss. Oh my gosh, I'm dying with love, you guys. April. I love this so much. I love small stuff. You guys don't understand. I love mini stuff. Like, it is everything to me. This is so cute. It's like kawaii feeling, and I just, oh my gosh. I just love it so much. And this, amazingly beautiful. I mean, I can't believe this, April. You really have given me so much, and this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this, you guys. I mean, this is so beautiful. April, oh my gosh. And her cards, you guys, next level. Oh my goodness. April, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, I love the shine to it. This, you guys, if you're not subscribed to April's channel, I'm just gonna take a second and pause and say subscribe to her YouTube, subscribe to her Instagram, subscribe to everything that she has. Go like all of her pictures. She's so generous, so kind, and she makes amazing projects. I mean, you guys will not be disappointed if you subscribe. And please go to her shop. And please go to her Etsy shop. I'll name it off actually right now for you guys. It is, etsy.com/shop/April Olander Designs. I didn't know if it was something different. Just wanted to double check. She also has super cute collections on there on her Etsy. She's got some mermaids, and she's just got so much wonderful things. Go check it out. Oh my goodness, this little book, you made it. My darling April. You are totally my galentine. You already know. I love you so much, girl. This is so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. See, it's packages like this that you hoard, and you just can't even use cute stuff like this. Because then what do? You just can't. You just can't. Oh, I woof you too. This bag is so cute. These look like Target bags. This is so cute. I love this. Oh, pretty rosette. I love this peachy color. Somewhere between here and there, I found happiness. Oh, it's so cute. I love that color. Oh, I know that's right. A good pair of shoes will change your life. So true. I love that. Oh, thank you so much. Who doesn't love Jimmy's and Jules and all that great awesomeness? Thank you. Yay. More to add to my collection of like so much I already have. Can't get over it. Oh, I don't even want to open this. Can we just take a second and look how cute this is? Look, she gave me her homemade tassel. It's so pretty. The box has swans on it. Oh my gosh, I couldn't see because of this tulle bow, but I can see on the sides. You see that? April, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, thank you. I love it. I love swans. Thank you. Oh, yay, Candy. Oh, so cute. I love this little princess tutu girl. Oh my goodness. Thank you, April. My daughter's gonna eat that sucker. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Oh, these are Valentines. That's so cute. I love this little box too. Thank you. Oh my goodness. So sweet, girl. Oh, a loaded bag. Thank you. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Look at at the flowers, you guys. I love this. I haven't seen this pink one. Anyway, I haven't seen this pink puffy heart. It's so cute, you guys. This is so pretty. April, thank you so much. Ooh, sexy. I like this. This is cute. It's a cute die cut. I haven't seen that either. It looks like an AliExpress die. Ooh, look at the cute tag. Oh, the little bow. I love that bow. Thank you. Yay, bags. Ugh, lips, adorable. She makes, these are so cute. She sent me some a while ago that she decorated like Maggie Holmes theme, and I still afforded them because they're so cute. I love these. I love them. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, how cute. How cute is this sticker, you guys? Gotta hoard that too. I'm so terrible. Oh, yay. I think these are bag toppers. They're so cute. Look at the kawaii one. Look at the unicorns. Oh my gosh, April. I love it. I need this bag topper with the bow. I need that. This is so cute. Thank you. I have a problem opening up stuff. I just like to leave it. Yay. Glitter. I love it. So pretty. The packaging is always so cute. Thank you. Ooh, I love gold. I love gold. You get, yes. These are so pretty. I've seen these at Target, but I didn't pick them up yet. These are so cute. Thank you so much. I love bows too, by the way. That's also my other love. Oh my goodness, girl. You gave me so much. Be stylish. I know that's right. I like that pencil. So cute. I love this. I'll be hoarding this too. Sorry guys, you can't get this. I love this. I like to share a lot, and I like to share things that people give me, but some things you just can't, you know, and I know you guys understand that. You just can't. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love, 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 love. I don't have anything that looks like that. Oh, she's so cute. Thank you. I actually don't have any of these little dolls, and you just gave me so cute, so much cuteness. Oh, look at the fox. The fox is adorable. I love it. Thank you so much. Like, they have to go in my scrapbook. So cute. Love the shoes. Shoe stickers. Yay, mini envelopes. I love them. I love when people send me handmade embellishments because I don't have a stash, and I make my stash up with everything that people give me. I mean, of course I make stuff, but I mean, I love to be able to incorporate other people's awesome projects and stuff. And these are so cute. Every time you make the cutest stuff. Ooh, ooh, yay. How fun. Oh, that's so fun. The different foundations. And this is by Rihanna. This is her new, oh, I don't even know if it's new. It's new to me. I've seen it before, but I don't know. It seems new. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, the foundations. And you get to try the different ones. This is so cute. Thank you, April. Thank you so much. Of course, you guys, a beautiful filler that I love. This box I will be keeping also, which is so funny because I just can't get rid of it, and I can't reuse it. Sorry guys, it's too cute. I can't give it away. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I mean, I was so spoiled. April, you spoiled me, girl, and I really appreciate everything that you sent, and I'm keeping everything. I have to share a few things because I just can't keep everything, but for the most part I'm keeping everything. So thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. I mean, please go subscribe and support April. Purchase her stuff so she can continue to make beautiful projects and videos for us, because I know you guys are like me. You love her. She's so sweet. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.